Hey, this is your Sacred Scribe here, ready to do a summer solstice reading for the earth signs. And I am here with Sumner, ironically, the tree. One moment, please. What do you have for the earth signs, please? For the summer solstice, what can they look forward to? You can look forward to your eyes being wide open. They are substantially filled with energy right now. The energy of truth surrounds you and within you. So know that you are one with the universe and connect with this truth. Seek alternative ways to get things done in your life. Seek alternative ways to move forward. The energy is present to support you. For we have eyes on you. Your eyes are your seed to the soul. So what are you seeding? Earth signs. What are you planting? What are you nurturing? This is the summer solstice, when things bloom. So bloom within and open your heart to a newfound trust in the universe around you, a newfound trust within yourself. Second guessing will only weigh you down. There is ample information from the universe that you can call upon for your troubles, that you can call upon for your nurturing. As you nurture your growth, so too shall we help you grow in different avenues of life, so that your eyes can be open to new avenues of life, to a new perspective on you, to a new perspective on nature, perhaps. We are listening always to your heart. We are listening always to your desires. Your heart pulsates, and we feel it. We feel it within the roots of our systems. It rides up through us, and we can feel your presence. We can feel your light, and we can help emanate that light and emanate your light within, so that you can see for yourself just how special you are, just how needed you are throughout the planet. Your root systems get seated within the earth. So be aware of what you're rooting, as you too will affect the entirety of the earth, including the people upon it. Naysayers will be amongst your circle. You will not feel these people as truth. You may feel led in a different direction. You may feel drawn toward different energies. This summer solstice is a push forward in the direction of your dreams. It is the universe helping. It is the universe listening to you. and your desires and your wishes. For these two are our wishes for you. The more you desire, the more you feel, the more you emanate love, the quicker and faster the momentum will be for your desires to form, to take place, to manifest, to enjoy. But it is never ending, so keep on doing it. For your growth rate is infinite.